pizza-making machine. Leo wants a chocolate-based. But the girls don't. They want a strawberry-based. Oh dear, they can't agree, can they? No, Leo. Oops, pizza face.
I will make my own pizza!
Get ready for pizza challenge.
You need to grab the right ingredients. Get started.
Flour, yeah. Stinky boot.
Wrong ingredient.
Eggs, egg salad. Bowling pin. Strawberries, yummy. Ew, hot chili. Yeah, exactly. Haha. A doll? Chunky chocolate. Creamy milk.
Finish.
Now the machine will mix up the dough for the pizza base. Pink pizza dough is ready. Black dough is all mixed up.
Put sauce on your pizzas.
Leo and Mike have jump squirted just enough sauce. Come on, girls, your turn. Oops, that's not enough. Stop that, boy. Instead of laughing, why don't you help them? Hooray, super sauce! Now it's topping time.
Choose toppings for your pizzas.
Gummy worms!
Wiggled into place.
Marshmallows!
Like soft, fluffy clouds.
Bad lollipops.
Wow, so spooky.
Sweets!
Candy Crunch?
Chocolate spiders!
A Halloween pizza! And a perfectly pink pizza. Pizza taste test. Trade and try each other's. Pizza-licious. Delicious juicy corn. What are you doing, Lucy?
Popcorn tastes better!
Quick, Mike. Open your mouth, run around and catch it. Leo's plaster is blue.
Ice cream tastes better!
Oh, it makes everything cold.
Eating cold food is bad for your health.
But Lucy loves things hot. No, Lucy, it's melting the popsicle. Molly wants a tasty hot dog. Leo, now Molly can't eat it.
Too hot! And you might get burned!
She can't eat it frozen either. Leo, stop! Others are using the lake too. Now he can't fish. You might like ice skating, but you're not thinking of others, Leo. We shouldn't be selfish, should we? Lucy, no, you'll melt the ice. Uh-oh, challenge time. No, don't blast Lucy, Leo. Yikes, now he's got a frozen fish. Stop fighting, kids. Now you've broken your blasters. But what's that machine over there? Blue for Leo. You've pressed for rain clouds. You've changed the weather, Leo. The weather's going to spoil people's plans. They have to change their clothes to match the weather. Red is for Lucy, and she's choosing sunshine. Leo doesn't like it hot. You two are confusing everyone. Stop messing with the machine! Leave it alone! No, Leo. You're going to make it too cold and snowy. Too cold or too hot isn't good for us. Warm is better. So try again, Dad. Uh-oh, here comes the hot sun. It'll melt the snow away. Stop, kids! You're going to break this too. If you go from too hot to too cold, you'll get sick. Watch out! It's going to blow! Now you're both sick. Take them home, Dad. They need medicine. Cool down Lucy's fever. Medicine to stop Leo's chills.
Cold and heat are very dangerous to mess with.
Remember, kids, warm is best.
Are you ready for pizza challenge? Yay! Get your ingredients, Angel Lucy. Keep going. Nearly there. Wow, good job. You did it. Whisk, mix, and poof. Terrific. Come on, Leo, you can do it. Flour, yeah. Lemon. Ugh. Oh, Leo, don't cry. Lucy, can you help? Oh, what are you gonna do? Aw, sharing is caring. Here comes the dough. Choose your pizza shape. Leo wants a fatty pizza. What about you, Lucy? Pound and round. Ah, now Leo wants the same. Well done, kids! Let's spread on the sauce. Yeah, blue, pink, and white. Leo, sauce goes on the pizza. Come on, back to the challenge. Oh, terrific topping time. And blast. Uh-oh, something's wrong. Don't laugh. Lucy's been helping you. Aha! Press the button, Lucy. Yeah, it's a slice and dice net. Yummy pineapple pieces. Is yours a demon pizza, Leo? Oh no, they've melted. Watch Lucy, Leo. Slice and stick. Mmm, fluffy pink marshmallows. And shiny stars, too. Angel pizza's done. Okay, Leo, try again. Spider slingshot. Yikes, a spooky supreme pizza. What's up, Leo? Aha! Shiny stars for the final touch! And it's ready! Yay!
Why are they so excited? Look, it's an ice cream robot. Yummy, scrummy, perfect for my tummy, haha. But why is Mr. Octopus looking so sad? That's right, everyone's craving sweet treats today. Huh? What's going on? Yikes, it's Raccoon.
I've hacked your ice cream robot.
Oh no, Raccoon has taken over the ice cream robot.
Apple, orange, strawberry, pineapple.
What do you think the robot's going to do now? Is he turning everyone into ice creams? Now they're totally stuck. Do something, Mr. Octopus.
Grab the big ice cream.
Run! He's going to trap you in a cone too. Look, what's that?
I can't reach the tablet! What can we use to get the tablet?
Will you help Lucy? Push hard, Lucy. Will balloons help her? Nope, they floated away. How about a fishing rod? Yay, reel it in, Lucy.
We need to call the police.
Which numbers should she press?
Hey.
We need your help.
Yes, police officers always come to the rescue when there's trouble. Zap, zop, out they pop.
The raccoon has hacked and taken away the ice cream robot.
What's this? Wow, a super speedy scooter. Uh-oh. How can we warn everyone? Too late. They're trapped in giant ice cream scoops. Help Mr. Octopus find a place to hide. Well done. Oh no, the robot has X-ray scanning eyes.
Stop, you're under arrest.
Yikes, Raccoon has hacked another robot. Now he's captured the police cat robot too. Raccoon's taken over all the robots. Oops. Check the laptop, Lucy. We need a new plan. What should they do next? Yeah, great thinking.
We must defeat Raccoon's virus.
Lucy's going to put them all into a computer game. Who do you think will win? Haha, fruit fling. Look.
Oh no! My virus has been beaten!
That's because healthy fruits fight off viruses like champs.
You see, fruits are better than sweets.
That's right. They help us grow strong and healthy. So don't forget to eat your fruits and veggies, kids, okay?